Hey everybody, this tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a star. It's a really easy tutorial, and the reason why I'm drawing a star is a star has 5 sides and I've got five subscribers. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. 5 subscribers finally. I mean, I'm a really new YouTuber. I only started my channel at the end of May, a couple months ago. I think it's been like a month and a half or something like that, but I don't know. But anyways, thank you all for 5 subscribers. I'm gonna teach you how to draw a star. This picture is a skull across AK-47s and it says "We the People," but it's mirrored. But anyways, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a star. First, you can start like this. It doesn't matter how you start off. You could start like this. This is a really easy way, but you have to erase those lines. Unless you want it to look like a pentagram or something. But anyways, I think it's easier to do this way, but it doesn't look as neat in the end. You don't have to erase all the crap that's behind. But anyways, you could do this. It doesn't look it looks a little bit neater though, but you get the idea. You can draw this, or on the previous star, you can erase those. And if you want to, you can add whatever you want on the little ends right here. But for me, I'm gonna draw how many subscribers I have. My brothers were the first to subscribe to me. I can't remember who did after that, but then my sister's boyfriend did, and somebody else did. Two of my subscribers, I don't know, but thank you all for five subscribers. And to finish off this star, I'm gonna color it red. Cause I don't know what other color to color the star. I mean, and if you don't know what a red star is, it's a symbol related to communist ideology. You can see it on things like North Korea's flag, China's flag too. A lot of communist flags, even Vietnam's flag, but other than that, it's pretty cool. They did a darn good job on it, don't you think? So, what is it? I don't know how many times I've said thank you all for 5 subscribers, but I really mean it this time, man. I really do. I'm glad you all subscribed to me, and that's it for this super easy tutorial. See you later.